Hi. Welcome to Class 11. Copywriting for Funnels. What is funnel copywriting? Definition. Funnel copywriting is the art and science of writing persuasive copy designed to guide potential customers step by step from awareness of a product/service to making a purchase, and beyond. Why it matters. Unlike a single ad or landing page, a funnel involves multiple touchpoints. Each stage requires a different message and tone to build trust, overcome objections, and lead to conversion. Businesses using optimized funnels see up to 300% higher conversion rates compared to a single sales page. How it works. Think of funnel copywriting as a guided conversation, moving the customer from "Who are you? Why should I care? Why should I buy now?" The funnel stages and copy flow. Stage 1, Awareness, TOFU, top of funnel. Goal, capture attention and introduce your brand or solution. Copy traits. Curiosity-driven hooks. Problem identification. Light, relatable storytelling. Examples. Blog headlines, are you making this one mistake with your fitness routine? Paid ads, struggling to grow your business? Here's what you're missing. Tip, don't sell yet, focus on building interest. Stage 2, Consideration, MOFU, middle of funnel. Goal, educate, build trust, and nurture interest. Copy traits. Showcase value propositions. Introduce authority, testimonials, case studies. Address objections and questions. Examples. Emails, 3 ways our app saves you 10 hours a week. Landing page copy, see why 10,000 plus marketers trust us for automation. Tip, focus on proof and authority, why you are the best solution. Stage 3, Decision, BOFU, bottom of funnel. Goal, convert leads into paying customers. Copy traits. Strong call to action, CTA. Scarcity and urgency triggers. Money-back guarantees, bonuses. Examples. Sales page, enroll today, get 50% off for the first 24 hours. Checkout page, you're only 60 seconds away from transforming your business. Tip. Overcome last-minute resistance with risk reversals, free trial, guarantee. Copywriting for tripwire offers, upsells, and downsells. Tripwire offers. What? Low-cost entry product, e.g., $7 ebook, $27 workshop, to turn leads into buyers. Why? Creates a psychological shift from prospect to customer. How? Copy example. Headline, get our $97 course today for just $9. Subcopy, proven strategies to double your Instagram reach, yours for less than the price of lunch. Upsells. What? Premium offers presented after the initial purchase. Why? Maximizes average order value, AOV. How? Copy example. Headline, want to see results 5x faster? Subcopy, upgrade to our advanced coaching plan today and get personal one-on-one support. Downsells. What? Lower priced alternative when someone declines the main offer. Why? Captures sales that would otherwise be lost. How? Copy example. Headline, not ready yet? Start small. Subcopy, try our $19 starter kit, get the basics without breaking the bank. Example funnel copy, webinar funnel. Stage 1, Awareness, Facebook ad. Hook, want to land high-paying clients without cold calling? CTA, register for our free masterclass. Stage 2, Consideration, registration page. Headline, free training, the 3-step formula to get clients consistently. Copy, bullet points on value, testimonials, agenda. Stage 3, Decision, post-webinar offer. Sales page headline, ready to build a $10,000 per month business? Here's how. CTA, join the program today, spots limited. Upsell, coaching package. Downsell, self-paced online course. Template, funnel copy map. A simple way to plan funnel copy. Stage. Goal. Copy style. Example CTA. Awareness. Capture attention. Hook, pain points. Download free guide. Consideration. Build trust. Proof, benefits. Save my spot. Decision. Convert. Urgency, scarcity. Join now. Upsell. Increase AOV. Transformation promise. Upgrade today. Downsell. Save sale. Low risk, affordable. Get the starter kit. Pro tips for funnel copywriting. Use consistent messaging. Each step should build on the last. Anticipate objections early, address them in MOFU, not BOFU. Leverage storytelling. Humans buy with emotions first, logic second. Test everything. A/B test headlines, CTAs, offers. Track metrics. Funnel success depends on measuring CTR, CPL, conversion rate. Assignment. Task. Create a funnel copy map for a 5-day online challenge funnel. Deliverables. Awareness ad copy, Facebook or LinkedIn. Landing page headline plus subheadline. Email nurture sequence, 2 emails. Sales page offer copy, short. Upsell headline plus CTA. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.